Good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another informative video. Hey, shout out to Uncle Bud. He gave me a tip about this article. It was written by Showbiz Seth on the 27th of April. It's entitled, Will the IRS Come After Your Bitcoin Soon? By the way, thanks again, Uncle Bud. It says people who profited from their cryptocurrency investments will have a new challenge to navigate soon. The IRS and taxes. While real-world monetary authorities may be finding it hard to regulate cryptocurrencies, that does not stop tax authorities from scrutinizing and trying to tax people who made big gains from crypto coin trading, investments, and dealings. However, anonymous the cryptocurrency market may be, if you made profits from the big spikes in their valuations, then Uncle Sam may be knocking on your door soon to collect a significant share of your profits in the form of taxes. IRS wants to tax your Bitcoin gains. One of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase, was ordered by the IRS in late 2016 to hand over transaction-related data on more than 14,000 of its customers involving buying, selling, and sending and receiving more than 20,000 worth of Bitcoins, BTC, between 2013 and 2015. In February 2018, Coinbase disclosed that it has notified a group of approximately 13,000 customers concerning a summons from the IRS regarding their Coinbase accounts. The article goes on to state that the development has sent chills down the spines of hundreds of crypto traders, investors, and users who are now uncertain about their pending tax liabilities, in addition to any possible penalties, interest, and other charges linked to their past virtual currency transactions. Under the reporting of crypto profits, a credit score service called Credit Karma reported that fewer than 100 people have reported gains from cryptocurrency investments out of the 250,000 Americans who've already filed their federal taxes and tax returns this year. The IRS seems to be tightening the grip to catch defaulters who are giving a miss to their paying their taxes on such profits. Online forums like Reddit are buzz with profits citing possible scenarios by worried investors about pending tax liabilities for their past dealings in crypto coins, which may now leave them poor. For Americans, there is no free lunch. If you're richer tomorrow than you were today, it is likely you have some tax burden associated with that. It goes on to say that the IRS eyes cryptocurrency deals, and that in 2014 the IRS issued a clear instruction that it considers virtual currency as property for federal tax purposes. The cryptocurrency holders are not treated as currency that could generate foreign currency gain or loss for U.S. federal tax purposes. I'm going to skip down to this part about taxation for miners. The activity of mining cryptocurrency is considered a special case where a self-employed individual receiving crypto coins for his mining work, they are expected to report their fair market value in U.S. dollars of the coins as on the receipt date, and it will be treated as gross income. If the mining constituents of trade or business, the miner may be subject to pay self-employment tax. Okay? And then they talk about penalties for non-compliance, booking, and so on and so forth. Look, the bottom line with this is this. Americans know what income is. We know that we have invested in an asset. This is not news in this article. Hello, this is not news. Okay? And it is not news to me that Uncle Sam wants to get his greasy hand in my pocket and in your pocket and get his chunk of it. But the tax code is also clear about profits. And we already have a video on this channel about if you don't sell it, you haven't gained a profit. And for those of you who are unaware of how this works, I want you to look at how the structure actually works. The infrastructure, that is. You see, capital gains only happen when you sell the currency. There are ways to spend the currency without exacting the capital gains. I'm going to say that again. There are ways to spend the cryptocurrency without taking a capital gain. Folks, there's things out here like BitPay. Shout out BitPay. Holla if you hear me. If you got a card like that, you can go and purchase something on Amazon. There's no capital gains levied. You're paying taxes on the good or service directly with the card. Technically, you could buy anything using a BitPay card or an equivalent, and it comes directly out of your crypto, and you have not exacted a capital gain. The federal government of the United States has not done its due diligence with regards to keeping up with this innovation and this technology. And it is not a crime of the people who have painstakingly stuck by this innovation. It is not a crime of the people who want a better system. It is not a crime of the people who are tired of paying the banks to hold their money. You pay to put it in. You pay to take it out. You pay for the ATMs. And in many ways, the new system of digital currency is not that much better. You got to pay every time there's a transaction. So if you're going to tax somebody, Treasury of the U.S., if you're going to tax somebody, tax the Dexes, tax the Coinbases of the world, tax the Binances of the world, tax the Qcoins of the world. It should not be the people that have to bear the burden. It should be those who create the infrastructure. The federal government needs to embrace the infrastructure. It should be transparent. You shouldn't have to file taxes and report how much money you made. The infrastructure should be that when you buy crypto and sell crypto, it's already taken care of. The tax liability of the Americans should actually be taken care of by the decentralized exchanges. That is my opinion. It's not the opinion of any YouTubers that I'm aware of or anybody else out there, but this whole idea and premise that every American should have to go out here and report every year how much money they made from buying and selling crypto, I think that's asinine. The infrastructure should handle this. The federal government should get its cut from the decentralized exchanges. It should be inherently taken care of behind the scenes. Just a hint out there, folks that run Coinbase. It's not a hit on you, Coinbase. It's not a hit on you, Qcoin. I'm just saying, it's time for the Bitcoin billionaire DEX creators out here and the federal government to have lunch. Get together. Stop persecuting the people and make an infrastructure that works for them. Get the taxes from the infrastructure. That's how it works with when you go down here and buy your stuff from Walmart. The taxes are already rolled into the product. Why can't we do that with Bitcoin? Why can't we do that with all the cryptocurrencies? Why can't the taxes be taken off the top every time you make a purchase or a sell? Why does it have the tax liability have to fall on the heads of the American people? You know, I'm starting to get pissed, so I'm going to calm down. I just need a moment. Just give me a moment. Think about what I'm saying. What if Coinbase, what if Bittrex, what if eToro, what if Robinhood, what if they actually handled the tax situation for their customers? What if it was not in the form of someone saying, well, this is how much you made, so this is what you need to report? What if it was just transparent? It just came right off the top of your purchase or your sale. It just automatically was taken care of. You didn't have to actually file anything. There's too many transactions to keep up with. If you're doing this right, wouldn't this make a better system? Just some food for thought. And if you agree with me, hey, throw up the likes. Share this video. What if the tax liability was handled by the infrastructure? Holla if you hear me, BK. Holla if you hear me. BitBoy Crypto, I'm out here. What if the tax liability was handled by the infrastructure? Altcoin Daily, weigh in, baby. All right, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please throw up the likes. Please throw up the shares. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.